Hi guys, in today's video, I'm showing you how can you hide your Facebook friend list from other people. So the process is quite simple and easy. Open your Facebook app, and once it will be open, tap on these three lines which are at the top right, and tap on this setting icon. Now scroll down, and here's the option, how people can find and contact you. Tap on this one, so you can see the option on the second number, who can see your friend list. My Facebook friend list is set up to public, means all the person on Facebook can see my Facebook friend list. But if I tap on this option and set this to the last option, only me, then without me, no one can see my Facebook friend list. Even my friend will not be able to see my friend list. If you tap on this again and select friends, then your friend can see your friend list. And here is the option, friends accept. It means if you select a person from here, then without that person, everyone will be able to see your Facebook friend. And here is the option, specific friends. It means only your selected person will see your Facebook friend list, so set up this by yourself. So by using this method, you can hide your Facebook friend list from other people on Facebook